Hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Well, my friend Ian Good asked me to make something special that he loves. A viewer request. He said he wanted me to try to make a Slush Puppie cherry limeade. So I'm gonna give it a go. You know Ian, he loves to do his game day dishes. And today just happens to be a game day. And this cherry limeade's gonna be my game day dish. I'll show you how to make it now. The only piece of kitchen equipment you need is a blender. Did you know Slush Puppie started in Cincinnati in 1970? Ice! If you look at the Slush Puppie logo with the dog, all the letters are capitalized except the I. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. The Slush Puppie dog actually has a name. His name is Chili Dog. Woof! 2 tablespoons of cherry juice. I actually read on a recipe that you can use maraschino cherry, the juice inside. I'm going to be using these maraschino cherries in a future recipe. I'll throw a couple maraschino cherries in there too, just for fun. The original Slush Puppie flavors were cherry, grape, orange, and lemon lime. Now there's over 40 flavors, including pomberry acai and cotton candy. Now I need a cup of lemon lime soda. Anybody can buy a Slush Puppie machine. It only costs around $2,000. Blend and serve. Cheers to you, Ian Good. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Who knows what I'm gonna do next? Why do they call it a litter of puppies? Because they'll trash the place.